Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Mahati English School online education. I am glad to welcome all of you in the new session of Mathematics of Standard 1. As per every day, we will start our class with a beautiful thought. Thought for the day is: the noblest pleasure is the joy of understanding. After this thought, let's begin our new session of mathematics. So before we start our class, everybody sit straight at your place. Sit straight, take the pencil and book in your hand. Now let me describe what we are going to learn. We will make revision of FA1. Our syllabus is chapter number 2 and chapter number 3. Also dodging tables from tables 1 to 3. Let me introduce first with paper style. Question 1. Fill in the blanks from chapter number 3. Question 2. Add the following. Question 3. Subtract the following. Question 4a. Word problems from chapter 2. Question 4b. Dodging tables from table 1 to 3. Let's begin our revision of FA1. Here is our first question. Question 1. Fill in the blanks. Now, before we start our revision, I request all of you to write from heading to ending with me. So, I hope you will complete the heading in your book. After writing the heading, leave one line and write first FB. First FB is 1 minus 0 is equal to dash. To fill these blanks, let's understand how can we solve this. Our FB is 1 minus 0. As we are going to make subtraction, but here is 0. So we should not cross out or take away any number. So 1 is remaining there. We can say that 1 minus 0 is equal to 1 itself. Completed? If you complete this, then leave one line and then write the next FB. Next is number 2, 4 minus 2. This fill in the blanks belongs to subtraction. To subtract means take away or cross out. Okay? Let's see how can we solve this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we should take away or cross out 2. 1, 2. Now see how many objects are remaining there? 1 and 2. So we can say that 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Have you completed these 2 FBs in your notebook? Now leave one line and then write new FB. Number 3 is 9 minus 1 is equal to dash. Let's see how can we solve it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 minus 1, take away or cross out 1. Now see how many objects are remaining there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. Completed. Leave one line and then write a new FB. Number 4 is 5 minus 5 is equal to dash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Minus 5 means cross out or take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is there any object remaining? No. That means 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Leave one line and then write new FP. Number 5, 6 minus 2 is equal to dash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Minus 2. Cross out or take away 2. 1, 2. See how many objects are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. Now, if you have completed this, leave one line and write FB number 6. 7 minus 4 is equal to dash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Minus 4 means cross out or take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see how many objects are remaining. 1, 2, 3. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Leave one line and then write in a new line FB number 7. 8 minus 5 is equal to dash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 5. Cross out or take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now look at the board. How many objects are remaining? 1, 2, 3. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. Completed. Make sure that your handwritings must be good. Okay. Shall we move to the next FB? Look at the board. FB number 8. 10 minus 9 is equal to a dash. Let's see how can we solve it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Minus 9. Take away or cross out 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now look at the board. How many objects are remaining there? 1. So we can say that 10 minus 9 is equal to 1. Leave one line and then write FB number 9. 9 minus 4 is equal to dash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Minus 4. Cross out or take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now see how many objects are remaining there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 minus 4 is equal to 5. Completed? Very good. Make sure your handwritings must be good. Now write in a new line. FB number 10. 8 minus 8 is equal to dash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minus 8. Cross out or take away 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now see, how many objects are remaining there? No one. What does it means by 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. So my dear, this was a revision of fill in the blanks. Have you completed this in your notebook? Now write a new heading on a new page with a good handwriting. Move on to the question number 2. Add the following. Write the heading with a very good handwriting. Question number 2. Add the following. Complete the heading, leave the one line and write the sum. 6 plus 4 dash. Now look, my dear students, while writing the sums, keep one thing in your mind, that the number should come just below the given number, 6 plus 4, as we are going to make addition. Here we have 6 objects and we have to add 4 more to it. Let's see what happens. 1, 2, 3, 4. While doing addition, we have to count all these objects together. Then we can get the answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6 plus 4 is equal to 10. Completed. Now leave some space and then write the new sum. 5 plus 9 dash. We have 5 objects and going to add 9 more to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's count all the objects together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 5 plus 9 is equal to 14. Completed. Make sure, dear, your handwritings must be good. Move on to the next sum. Sum is 8 plus 5 is equal to what? Here we have 8 objects. We are going to add 5 more to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Completed. Now see how many objects are all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 8 plus 5 is equal to 13. Completed. Now write new sum. Make some space between two sums. Okay. If possible, then draw the line with the help of scale. Next sum is 8 plus 2. What happens when we add a 2 to number 8? Here we have 8 objects and going to add 2 more to it. 1, 2. Count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Completed? Write down the new sum. New sum is 7 plus 5. Here we have 7 objects and going to add 5 more to it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Completed. Now see how many objects are all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. Completed? Now move towards next sum. The sum is 13 plus 3. Here I have drawn only 3 objects. Why? Because 3 stands on 1's place and here is 1 which stands on 10's place. So first of all we have to calculate or count the sum which is on the 1's place. 3 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. And as 1 stands alone, there is no number at 10's place. There will go only 1. The number becomes 1, 6, 16. 13 plus 3 is equal to 16. Hope you all understand the concept. As today we have make revision. First we completed fill in the blanks which belongs to chapter number 3 subtraction. Then we make revision of add the following with different examples. So I hope you all are writing with me as well as you complete the whole work which we have done today. So what does it means by? Is the work completed? No. What is remaining then? Yes, there remains the tables. So now get ready, sit straight, take the book and pencil and get ready to recite and write. Which table? Table of 2. So write the heading table of 2 and while writing the table make sure that you have to leave one line after completing one. Okay? So read and write with me table of 2. Two ones are 2. Two twos are 4. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 5s are 10. 2 6 are 12. 2 7s are 14. 2 8s are 16. 2 9s are 18. 2 10s are 20. Have you completed the table? Very good. Now note down the homework in your book. So, what is the homework for today? Today you have to write a revision FB one time in homework book. The FB which we learned today, that are revision FB. I will send the notes in the WhatsApp group. So, with the help of that notes, you have to copy it with a very good handwriting in your homework book one time only. So, is it enough? No. You have to write this FB, also you have to memorize, and you have to make practice of addition as well as table 1, 2 and 3 at your home. So it will be helpful you while writing the test. Okay, my dear students. Stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself, make practice of each and every subject at your home with the help of your parents. Okay? In next lecture, we will meet with a new concept, new exercise. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye.